For today's flower piping tutorial, I will be showing you how to pipe a poppy. Begin by attaching a square of parchment to a flower nail. I'm using a number 103 tip, and you're going to want to pipe it with the narrow end facing out. I have a medium consistency red buttercream. To begin, place the wide end of your tip near the center with narrow end facing out. Apply pressure, slowly pull out, dip back down, pull back up, and dip back down a second time to create the first petal shape. You want these petals to be a heart, and we're going to pipe 4 of them in total here. So we're going to apply pressure, pull up, dip down, pull back up, and then sharply pull away when you get to the center. For your last petal, lift your tip up slightly so that you don't damage the first petal. I'm switching to a black buttercream with a number 3 tip. Any small round tip would work for this step. I'm just going to pipe small dots in the center to finish off the middle of my poppy flower. As always, all of these instructions, as well as the buttercream recipe and coloring information, can also be found down below. And I'm just going to show you a second angle. So you'll see here that I'm resting my tip right on my flower nail as I pipe my petals. It's also important to note that I'm moving my piping tip up and down, but not side to side. I'm turning it as I pipe each of these petals. You'll see here that I'm lifting my tip off the parchment to pipe the final petal. Again, we're just going to pipe some small black dots in the center to finish off our poppy flower. And that's how easy it is to pipe a buttercream poppy. If you have enjoyed this tutorial, I'd appreciate it so much if you would give it a like or subscribe so that you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials. Thanks so much for watching.